Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Rosa Obscura Tarot by Orla Bird. This retails for 45 euros, but that comes out to about $47.34. I will link where you can legitimately purchase this down in the description box below, and thank you so much to Orla Bird for sending this my way. If you remember, some time ago we did review her Ava Somnia Tarot, and this is stunning, and I will link in the eye where you can go ahead and check out the video. All right, so thank you so much to Orla Bird for sending this our way. Again, I am excited. I love the box. We have the guidebook. Oh, look at that. Okay, set that over here. Let's take a peek at the guidebook real fast. Information on tarot. Okay, this deck merges the human body and plants, creating organisms filled with symbolic meaning. Every card features a different plant species, while its symbolism is based on the Victorian language of flowers. Full human body depictions with illustrations on the skin are present in major arcana, while the minor arcana displays smaller human figures or body parts. Every plant is based on the properties of the species, but with stylized surrealist touch, not necessarily resembling standard representations of the plant from botany manuals. The rose as the queen of flowers is depicted on the box and the 79th card. You can use this card in a manner it feels suitable to you. As every tarot deck is a collection of life experiences from joy to sorrow, Rosa Obscura, or Obscure Rose, suggests the merging of the delicate nature of the rose with darker traits that also make us human. Pay close attention to the little black dots in the major arcana cards. They are arranged in a different pattern every time, and their composition offers an insight into the specific card. For example, the dots on the Fool card are arranged to form an infinity sign, since the Fool is the card of infinite potential. On the Magician card, they are positioned above the person's head, suggesting that he is downloading information from above. All the queens and kings in this deck sit on thrones adorned with motifs related to their suit. Therefore, the suit of wands is represented with salamanders, since they are seen as the living manifestation of fire itself. The suit of cups is represented by sea creatures, while the suit of swords is represented by air creatures. The king and queen of pentacles sit in the most comfortable armchairs, suggesting comfort and ease. Also, all the court cards are not only paired with plants, they are literally dressed in them. Oh, I love that. And then it goes directly into each of the card meanings. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, we'll get into that a little bit later. I'm going to unwrap this. I'll be right back. All right, here's the back. Really pretty, delicate. I love the kind of muted colors. The cardstock is on the thinner side, is very flexible, but it's snapping back. It's not paper thin at all. It's a really good thickness. Personally, I like it. I think it's going to shuffle wonderfully. I like the size too. Okay, this looks like the 79th card. And here we go. Oh yeah, look at that downloading there. How interesting. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that. Love this color palette. The symbolism is wonderful. Oh, wow. Night and day. Love this symbolism. It is so fun. This is beautiful. Interesting. Oh. I love the attention to detail. It is something unique and different. It still has all the symbolism here, but it just does it in a condensed way, if that makes sense. I love this because it's like you're standing your ground. Oh, wonderful. The running stance. Love. Yeah, there's those salamanders. How creative. Okay, cups. Oh. I love this. I think that this is such an interesting and unique take. It still makes sense. It still works. Wow. Ooh. The little mermaid in the fishbowl there. Oh, I love how his arm is under the water and the other one is out. Listen, the details here, though they may be small, they are phenomenal. I like how the swords are almost like thorns. Ooh, these are needles. Gorgeous. And Pentacles. Cute. Oh, I love it. Absolutely fantastic. It's a perfect everyday deck. It's perfect for whatever type of reading you want to do. And it shuffles really nice. Except that last bit was my fault. There we go. Like butter. Let's do overhand. Oh, yeah. Can I get a card to read, please? Okay. We're going to read for the Nine of Cups. Okay, so here we go. The Nine of Cups. We have upright and reverse keywords. So contentment, achievement, recognition, wish come true, satisfaction, and abundance. Reversed, lack of fulfillment, disappointment, and unmet expectations. Plant and symbolic meaning. And I know I'm going to butcher this, so I'm going to try. Tradescantia, Virginia, or momentary happiness for that plant is the meaning. The woman is experiencing emotional fulfillment, but she won't be able to hold that yoga pose for a long time, so she enjoys it while it lasts. I like that. Okay, let me just see. Same thing with the Major Arcana too. Okay, so it's just enough information to help you understand the meanings of the card, but as well as you have the plant meaning and the, you know, what's going on in the picture to help you understand the meaning even more. This is so beautiful, very easy for beginners. If you need a little bit more help, that guidebook is going to help you out. I love the color palette. It's kind of like this muted, really pretty pastel, has a little bit of that khaki, maybe even gray undertone to it. So it's very easy on the eyes, and your focus is the imagery and the symbolism in there. It's just gorgeous. Well done. I am so excited to get to know this on a more personal level. I just want to show you real quick the comparison with her other deck. So very similar type of art style. Different feel though. It has a little bit more creature element to it, but still with that beautiful color palette where it's a little bit more muted. So depending on what your vibe is and what you like, here's another option from Orla Bird. I am so happy with this. I think it's beautiful. Thank you so much, Orla, for sending this my way. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. Let me know what your thoughts are on this deck. Do you own her other tarot deck? Have you heard of Orla Bird before? Let me know everything down in the comments. And if you've made it this far, drop your favorite flower emoji in the comment section as well. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.